Start para. Further, our Constitution also places an expectation that the decisions taken through democratic process will be accepted by the countrymen. At the same time, our Constitution expects the Parliament and every member present in this House to fulfill the hopes and aspirations of the countrymen and make the necessary laws keeping the national interest paramount. I am happy that in the last 7 months, Parliament has set new standards in conducting its business. The performance during the first session of this Lok Sabha has set a new record in the last 7 decades. Due to my government's strong commitment, several historic legislations have been enacted. The faith reposed by the people of this country in our democratic institutions strengthens the foundation of our democracy. My government is of the firm view that mutual discussions and debates strengthen democracy. At the same time, any kind of violence in the name of protest weakens the society and the nation. Para. In a democracy, nothing is more sacred than the mandate given by the people. The people of the country have given this mandate to my government for the making of a new India. For making such a new India and for fulfilling the expectations of the people, my government is working with commendable pace and decisiveness to bring about changes in every field. It is the outcome of reforms at the grassroots level ushered in by the government in the last 5 years that there has been an unprecedented improvement in India's global ranking in several areas. The success of the public welfare schemes of my government and the historic decisions taken by the government have increased the expectations of the countrymen as well as the responsibilities of the government. Over 40 lakh people living in the capital city of Delhi had been living for many years in the hope that one day they could get the ownership rights of their homes and that they will be able to lead a dignified life. The government has fulfilled this long awaited expectation of people living in more than 1700 colonies of Delhi. Farmers, agricultural laborers, unorganized sector laborers, and small traders of the country had expectations of a pension scheme and would be of help to them in their old age. My government has not only fulfilled their wish but has also covered about 60 lakh beneficiaries so far under these pension schemes. Stop.